Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Today we are with Govana. Yeah, man. Govana with Top Liar. Yes. Babylon Project. Official music video. Let's go.
And if you're not here to the warning, then you're going to get the carnage.
On this back,
yeah, man. You're going to play a clip from on this back.
It's a movie. No, sir, Govy project them not normal in the brother. What am I saying? Walk one. Govy.
Top line up on me killer them case. We a shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a them ears? Run them find a pussy in a them place, yeah. Top line up on me killer them case, yeah.
Top Liar.
Brown boss, I yes, sir. Be a headshot from a Jamaica. Trap out pavement and cane raw. In a boy's call me cane grow. Brawling with a cane refuse. We don't care them all, we know them on the one day. 7.6 to us a wall.
Grimy. Man, so we a shot boy from before cigarette raise. You know how long that, bro? Cigarette? Killer. Top Liar on the killer them case. Half a bus case. Road. R-O-A-D. Road. Bambak, me can spell. Small word. Govy. What you say, me, Jay? Alright.
Top line up on me killer them case. We a shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a them ears? Run them.
There's must feel. Who can hear I get it in your blood clot ears?
Shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a them ears? Run them find a pussy in a them place, yeah.
Who see them? Several.
Top line up on me killer them case, yeah.
Alright. Good night, now, G. Good night.
Brown boss, I yes, sir. Be a headshot from a Jamaica. Trap out pavement and cane raw. In a boy's call me cane grow. Brawling with a cane refuse. We don't care them.
Man said, in a boy's called me cane grow. So, you know, see a shallow grave him get, you know. Somewhere out in a bush, you know, wild bush a grow through him bone them, you know.
Be a headshot from a Jamaica. Trap out pavement and cane raw. In a
Chop out pavement and cane row.
headshot from a Jamaica. Trap out pavement and cane raw. In a boy's call me cane grow. Brawling with a cane refuse. We don't care them all, we know them on the one day. 7.6 to us a wall cut a warren. Have some force of juvenile we haunted. For boss ahead and if them run wanted. Have some force of juvenile we haunted. For boss.
You see, look like bone a broke your some basic.
Say head and if them run wanted. Top line up on the killer them case. We a shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a their ears? Run them file a pussy in a them place, yeah. Top line up on me killer them case, yeah.
Yo, don't say.
Top line up on me killer them case.
Boss of them, boss
Alright, okay.
Tom Tavares, Champagne. If a killer you want, give me half many.
Yeah.
You hear them name there, yo, Tom Tavares, Peter Champagne. Eh? You hear them name the dog? Alright, Top Liar them for sure.
Tom Tavares, Champagne. If a killer you want, give me half many. You will send back head to the family. But them fine boy hand in a hot belly. Literally.
Clot. Hog them get a chance to digest him good. Fine boy hand in a hog belly. Send back head to the family.
Send back head to the family. But them fine boy hand in a hot belly. Literally dress up like Lee Scratch Perry. 357 killer use and chop jelly.
Me kill him dressed up like Lee Scratch Perry. Me kill him dressed up like Lee Scratch Perry. You see that G, yeah? Him that one just like Lee Scratch Perry. The late great Lee Scratch Perry. They dress up. Let me show you all Lee Scratch Perry dress, bro. Let me show you all Lee Scratch Perry. Let me show you all Lee Scratch Perry dress, bro. They never can see this. Wait. Me I show you. Wait, no, that's wait, no man. No, wait. No, but let me put it on the one. Hold on. Me I show you all the G. Yo. Anything we Govy do, just know say it is calculated, bro. Anything we Govy do, just know say it is calculated. All right, so let's go for that one. Now. Boom. Watch it now. Lee Scratch Perry. Look all these. Look all these Scratch Perry. The late great Lee. Look all Lee dress. You can't find a bigger picture. Look how Lee Scratch Perry dress. And look how the G where you just see in the video dress. Yeah. Look how him dress. And look how the G dress. What the video there? Look how him dress. Similar. So the video say everything where Govy say.
Chillin' dress up like Lee Scratch Perry.
Hold on. Hold on. You never said that a while ago? You never said that a while ago? You never said that a while ago? It's still Lee Scratch Perry. I saw Lee Scratch Perry dress. If you never see it, sorry. I think you never see it. I maybe don't see it, but I don't know. And look how the killer them dress.
357 kid boy hand in a hot belly. Me chillin' dress up like Lee Scratch Perry. 357 killer use and chop jelly. Glock away 26 like John Terry. When this was Christmas.
Hold on, wait.
Use and chop jelly. Glock away 26 like John Terry.
Glock away 26 like John Terry. If you don't know. If you don't know the reference, you don't know. John Terry, big up.
When this was Christmas, I fi stop merry. Boom, that plan up on the killer them case. We a shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a their ears? Run them file a pussy in a them place, yeah. That plan up on me killer them case, yeah. That plan up on me killer them case. Bubba say you're brawling there. Now wait for night. Bust the Drake go until the care feel light. Who the bunny case? KD night. Berry belly swell up like a baby night. Boom bullet in a stomach. Aim for tripe. Bullet in a face and tear piece eye. Feel with cemetery them at the kill feel tight. 15 spots burn like jelly light.
Man say famous cemetery them at the Kane field type. Remember him say earlier on, make Kane grow in your skull. Shall I agree? Tell you now.
Feel with cemetery them at the kill feel tight. 15 spots burn like jelly light. Lift it up and sound them. Tear on the mountain. Shall I agree of cement round that me be like open. Who the pan with Tiana? Christopher Townsend. Bust it in a face until me see the horse in my bend. I'm Brooklyn. Me say I'm on the fight one dead face. You will never see this thing I left trace. Because city every killer embrace. No bullet in a foot in a chin a head. Face. That plan up on the killer them case.
Say a money fright war, try and know that dead face. You never see the killer them
The
face.
bullet in a foot in a chin a head. Face. That plan up on the killer them case. We a shot boy before cigarette race. Who can hear I get it in a their ears? Run them file a pussy in a them place, yeah. That plan up on me killer them case, yeah. That plan up on me killer them case.
Can I read the Bible before I make a tip? The bus case. Road. Yeah, man. That flyer, man. Big brown envelope, man. Case files. Out the road.
Is that you?
Pussy clot. Something else there? God is. Oh, what gonna say? Don't snitch in a you. Don't snitch in a you. Don't snitch. Hold it. Govy, big up yourself. Govy. Yeah, Govy, big up your blood clot self. Babylon. Babylon Project. Is this gonna be the G album or something? Babylon Project? What is it? Is it a Babylon Project? In new project what am I work on? EPR album or what is it? Comment section, let me know please. For him to call it Babylon Project, I just call it Babylon Project because him just want big up Babylon. You know? Big up Babylon and play still. I don't know what I think what I wanna do. I wanna grab me from Govy. Big up yourself, Govy, as always. That play up on me killer them kills, yeah. I'm out.